Welcome back. Last night or yesterday we did take Tuesday's high, and then the Wednesday was an expansion. Right now, what I'm looking for is see how we react in these two areas. So recent highs and lows have sensitive areas which we can look for any kind of reaction. So since we are already on all-time highs, I can use both uh, ES and NAS to look for probably an SMT because there's nothing really I can look for on the other side of the market other than probably using an SMT once we've taken either side of the market. So and this is nearer the buy side is nearer, so I would probably look for an SMT on the buy side than the sell side because the sell side is all the way down here. Same with NAS where we have buy side above and then sell side below. So generally speaking, that's what I'm looking for this session. Either take one side of this market, look if we have an SMT. So probably let me write it there, probably an SMT. Taking highs, so that SMT has to take a high. Then after we take a high, we can look to see some kind of change in the state of our delivery, change CSD, change in the state of delivery. After getting a change in the state of delivery, we can look to short during a macro or any session there. So for now, that's what I'm looking for. And looking at this market on a daily, really, there is nothing to look for if we're gonna use this fair value gap. I mean, if you're looking for fair value gap, because this is already a breakaway gap. Let's go on a 4 hour. On a 4 hour, it's still the same thing. We didn't do anything really uh, to taste anywhere. We just kept going higher and higher. Wednesday just at least on ES we actually had this, so which was a trade during NY session yesterday, but then with um, NAS we failed uh, to test this fair value gap, but we made an SMT there, so this was kind of stronger than this one because now we have an SMT there where you can actually go lower on the time frames and then look for along there. Here we didn't test any, so we just kept on going up. So for now, what I'm looking for, I would like to see us open here and then try to come back below, just like on the ES to it. But also keep in mind that we are targeting at least 50% of this whole candle high and candle low, because those the sensitive area is here on the 50% of that whole candle. So if for some reason we start going below the 50%, then we can look to target here. But as long as we're still above the 50% of this last Wednesday candle, then I'm not trying to pick up the tops, trying to short the market, which is already bullish. Yeah, so that was the smaller like pre-market analysis before we enter, and we're gonna look what happened, and then we'll be back tomorrow. Take care and have a nice session trading.